Hello, now I'll show you how to download and install TikTok on an iPhone. First of all, open the App Store. Then, go to the search field and search for TikTok at the top. Next, tap on TikTok in the search results. After that, touch on Get to start downloading this app. Now, if needed, use TouchID, FaceID, or your password to confirm it. Finally, wait for the download to finish, then tap Open to start using the TikTok app. Did you like this video? So touch the subscribe button for more tutorials. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.